So in this RBC Direct Investing tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to market buy a stock here on RBC Direct Investing. So once the app is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom, press on the yellow circle, and then press on place order. At the top here where it says name or symbol, if I were to go ahead and just type in ticker symbol RY for RBC, I'll just go ahead and select this and then select this stock right here. Once you have your stock selected, I want you to go ahead and select the account. I'll go ahead and do that right now. Once the account is selected here, which as you can tell it is, I want you to go to where it says action, and I want you to go ahead and press on buy. Once buy is selected right here where it says order type, make sure that it says market if you're looking to market buy. So that basically means you're just buying at the price of the market price. If you wanted to change this, you can go ahead and tap this right here, but make sure that market buy is selected. Then go to the bottom, type in the quantity of the stock. It'll then show you the amount, and then you can go ahead and proceed with the transaction if you want to. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to market buy a stock here on RBC Direct Investing. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.